Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Kanutaloa IP. Today we're going to see how to register a GDS372X, and this applies to the entire modern GDS series from Grandstream. To set it up, first we'll register an extension. Go to Trunk Extensions, then Extensions. Here we'll use 1002. Edit it, enter 1002 in the caller ID field, 1002 in the authenticate ID field, and copy this SIP/AX password. Save and apply the changes to generate the extension. We go to the GDS, to the Accounts section, Account 1, activate the account. Give it a name, leave it as 1002. The SIP server is the PBX IP address. The PBX has the extension 5.143. In the user ID we enter 1002, in the authenticate ID 1002, and here we paste the copied password, click Save and apply. Once this is done, we go to Status, Account Status, and here we'll see the registered extension. We can also check it in the PBX. If we want to use it for doorbell access, we'll go to the Access Control Settings tab, Basic Settings, then Doorbell Settings. Here in Doorbell, we'll route the call to an extension. We have extension 1000, which is an IP phone. Click here on Edit, and here we can select a schedule or set it to ring always. Select Always and enter the destination extension, in this case, the phone with extension 1000. Click OK, then click Save and apply. Next, go to Open Door Settings. Here are the settings for opening the door. We have the tab labeled Local PIN Type. It's set to Unified PIN, which means we can use a single global PIN for any user to open the door, or we can set it to Private PIN so that each person can open it with their own personalized code, or we can use a card and a private PIN. For this setup, we'll define it as a unified PIN, enter the code 9 here, then select the relay options that can be activated with the 9. Currently, we have a door lock connected to relay 1. Next, enable the SIP message and DTMF options, since the code sent to open the door is a dual-tone multi-frequency DTMF tone, and in this field, we enter the password to use for opening door 1 or door 2. When we receive a call on the phone, we can dial a specific digit. I'll program the 0 key here in relay number 2 to 1. We can also enable this option so that the call hangs up automatically as soon as the door opens. The rest will remain at default settings. We click Save and apply. The option we configured under Unified PIN will be used directly from the keypad by pressing 9 and hashtag. Once these settings are complete, we'll proceed to perform a dialing test. Here we dial. The call comes in. We answer. Two-way audio is established. We dial 0 and hashtag, and that triggers the opening. We test it by dialing 9 and the pound key from the keypad, and it opens again. That's all for the video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.